Assalamu alaikum everybody, Mosman Oil and Gas, we're back again, back to back days now. Current share price is 0.063 GBX, down 6.52%, market cap 13.91 million. Year to date we're up 110%, 1 month chart we're up 110%, 5 days we're up 6%. Bit of profit taking going on today, maybe a bit of de-risking as well, but Mosman have released another set of news, guys. Just like yesterday, I told you that RNSs are going to come flying these next couple of weeks. So what we have here, 14th of May 2025 at 7 a.m. Vector project drilling commenced. Let's take a look at what has been stated, what's been said. So, Vector project drilling commenced. Mosman is pleased to announce the spudding of the first exploration well of a 5-well program in the Vector project, Los Animas County, Colorado, US. Highlights. Drilling has commenced and surface casing set. The Barclay TH295106A well will test the Lion Sandstone formation at the Billy Goat lease area with a planned total depth of circa 800 feet in the Lions Sandstone. Drilling will continue to determine top of lines formation and then to target total depth. Gas will be tested to determine concentrations of gases including helium. Wireline logging will be conducted at total depth to determine the reservoir and gas/fluid properties. So a reminder, guys, Billy Goat is the first one they're going to be drilling, and Billy Goat is the one that Mosman have a 90% working interest in. So it's in Mosman's best interest that the results show a strong concentration of helium. Here we have the Vector project is operated by Vector and is located in the Los Animas County, close to Red Rock's helium producing field and Blue Star's helium Galactica development project. Helium concentrations of up to 11% have been encountered in offset wells and fields in the area, with the closest well, Texaco Cynthia True One, flowing 8.8% helium from the upper line sandstone. A total of 5 wells are planned to be drilled in this drilling campaign, testing 5 individual structure closures. So yeah, here's the Billy Goat, here's the Bard. Obviously, you can see Blue Star's project is right here, where you've got a good couple of percentages of helium that's been found. So yeah, guys, all are looking very, very interesting indeed. Let's see what the CEO has said. The drilling of this Billy Goat well is exciting given the excellent lease position in a proven area of helium development and production. Each well location has been carefully selected by the very experienced team at Vector, and we believe each well has an excellent chance of discovering helium. The low-cost drilling of these wells will enable data to be obtained at a very reasonable cost. This location has good access to infrastructure, including roads, pipelines, and the Ladder Creek helium plant, located at Cheyenne Wells, about 100 miles north of Billy Goat. So yeah, Billy Goat's here. Probably the plant somewhere's up north, up there. But guys, this is where things get interesting. Drilling's literally happening, has commenced. It's already started. And you can see people maybe selling out a bit too early, maybe a bit of nerves getting into the market. But this is where the real fun begins, guys, because if helium is found, if the high concentration of helium found in the first well, where Mosman have a 90% working interest, then my gosh, guys, expect a minimum 20 million market cap, and this share price should increase as well. So I think, like, if you haven't invested yet, Mosman, even though you kind of missed like the 100% rise, you still got a chance now before it gets to 20 million to be able to make some substantial gains as well. And make sure, if you are interested in investing, to invest before the results are shown, because if the results of the Billy Goat drill show high levels of helium, then the share price is going to rocket instantly, because that's instant value to Mosman as a company as a whole. So its market cap will increase. But guys, I'm really looking forward to the next coming weeks. 5 different locations are going to be drilled upon, and the chances of helium, inshallah, they can find helium in all of them, and especially in the current one, Billy Goat, which has a 90% working interest, because that can bring some serious revenue and to the company, and also increased asset value as well. So guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have your thoughts on today's news, drilling has commenced. Like, this was what happened last year. Like, the fact that it's happening in May 2025 when it was stated to happen in Q3 or Q4 2024, like, it's kind of like a shock. Like, it's finally happened. Like, it was just being delayed and delayed and delayed, but no, finally it's been done, and it looks like Mosman are in a good position especially with the recent deal they've done. They only need to make the payment in July as well, so that should allow them to assess their options and that sort of thing. Get a couple more oil revenue as well from Sagebrush to help finance that as well in a good couple of months. But yeah, Mosman, compared to its peers, tiny market cap. I'll just let you guys see this. Look, 13.75 at the moment. This blue box here, this is where Helium 1 did their development project as well. And if we check Helium 1's market cap, look at this. Helium 1, right, is on a 50 million market cap. They're not making no money. They don't have oil revenues. And they have projects in Tanzania and now they have in USA as well, which are more high maintenance. Whereas Mossman, on the other hand, 13 million market cap, isn't it? 13.75 million market cap, 0.065 GBX share price. If you're doing a comparison, this should be at HE1's level. HE1's level, like this, Mossman should be at 50 million market cap right now because it's making money. It's got proven assets that have helium, and I think we're just waiting for the result of the first set of results to come in. Like if Billy Goat exceeds expectations and has strong results, then I don't see why not the share price cannot increase drastically, and also the market cap as well. Because it's like the CEO has even said, right, the market cap of Mossman is considerably lower compared to its peers that are operating in the same market. So the room to growth is there. I think it's just about being patient at the moment. Like if you're up at the moment, obviously it's good to de-risk, but don't forget the bigger picture when we're still only on a 13 million market cap, and this could easily be a 20 million plus as soon as results come in. Obviously, the good thing with LSE as well, you can see recent trades as well, see what people are doing, that sort of thing. Obviously, you can't see exactly, but you can get a sense of the big picture. So I believe RNSs should be coming in like every couple of days now. Next week, hopefully 1 to 2 weeks to get results. I'm not sure how long results take, but Billy Goat results are the big one. The 90% working interest. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see if Mossman can deliver. And guys, remember, Vector is a side project for Mossman. The crown on top of the jewel, or the jewel on the crown, is Sagebrush and Coyote Wash, which have immensely high helium reserves, and the working interest of Mossman is much higher as well. And Coyote Wash, if you've watched from my earlier videos, like maybe a week ago, has a higher reserve potential than Sagebrush in terms of helium. So, yeah, still a steal at this market cap. Like, I think it's even a good reminder for current holders that are going to be up. That even though you're up, there's so much more potential still to happen within this company. So, selling now you would make a profit, but you could be making so much more if you held on for a lot longer. So guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe and share. I know I've kind of went on a tangent near the end, but I hope you've enjoyed that. Let me know your thoughts on today's RNS. That drilling has finally commenced. What do you think the results are going to show? Let me know your predictions. What percentage of concentration of helium is going to be found? Let me know. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what happens next with Mosman Oil and Gas.